Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Father and Son Having Fun coming to you today. And as you know, we bought a track suspended a while back, and we really weren't happy with how it went in the grass. And we put some Stampede tires and re-geared it, and we had fun with that. But we wanted to get a better RC car. And the channel usually, we get money from eBay for if people click on the links and buy stuff, and we've done pretty good with that, and a little bit of money with YouTube. So we'd saved our money up for the last couple months, and look what we have here. I bought a used E Revo 2.0, and wait till you see the deal that I got. Hopefully it's a deal. You guys are the first ones to see this as I am, so if I'm unhappy, you're going to see it. So let's get this thing open. Alright, got her open. Wow, the packaging could be better. Let's see here. We've got some huge off-road tires. Look how big those babies are. They're huge. We got those. Stick these right here. Ah, look at this. We got some paddle tires. That'll look good in the snow. I can't wait till we get some snow in the wintertime. We'll try those out. So we got the paddle tires. As you know, those aren't cheap. Let's see what we got here. We got a wheelie bar, some tools, and some connectors for the battery. And we've got a ultra power charger, a dual charger. That'll be great. I can't wait to see this thing. Of course, we got a controller. Nice. Oh, and here she is. Look at that. That is a beast. We really wanted one of these, and we actually were going to buy a new one, but this was such a really good deal with the 3 sets of tires, because this has street tires on it. Check that out. And it came with the charger and the battery, so for $20 less than you could actually buy this car for by itself with just the radio. We got 4 sets of tires and the E Revo. And this thing's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got a couple scuffs on it, but nothing that I wouldn't do in the first couple days I had it anyways. It's a little dusty, and they just decided they didn't want it anymore. But yeah, for $20 less than what you can buy this car for, we got the batteries, which are in here. We got the batteries, the charger, 3 sets of tires, and this thing is amazing. Let's charge this thing up, and let's see what it'll do. Okay guys, first problem I've encountered. It only came with one of these, and that's what makes it a dual battery, because it has 2 adapters. Not a big deal, it's still a real good deal. I can only charge 1 battery at a time. I can get one of these, so we'll keep on going. Alright, here we go, our test run. Okay, here's the problem. See that? Stop. I don't know if it's a bad battery connector or what. But then I turn the wheels, put it back down. And it stops again. Another problem. See, I'm pulling this trigger. Nothing happens sometimes. So, you know, maybe it's not a good idea to buy a used one on eBay. They've got some great deals on new ones, like $50 off what you can get them for. It's hit or miss on used ones. You know, father and son is not always fun, and neither is life. So I talked to the seller on this. He's going to give me a refund, but he also told me he just put a new receiver in it, which he failed to neglect to tell me in the description. But he sells a lot of RC cars, like 3 or 4 a week. I don't know where he gets them. Maybe it's people that have problems and he tries to fix them and sell them. But we struck out this time. So maybe you'll have better luck. I think we're going to try to go ahead and get us a new one, not a used one. We'll see what we get. We appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day.